Good evening. So we're going to perform water seal drainage this evening. So what is the purpose for water seal drainage? Water seal drainage purposes is to remove air and fluid from closed spaces such as pleural cavities. That's between the lungs and the chest wall, and while preventing this substance from re-entering. So without further ado, we're going to perform water seal drainage.
Good evening, sir. My name is Sean Serrano. I am a student nurse from DMC Dipolo, and today I'm going to perform water seal drainage on you. So before that, sir, I would like to know your name, age, and address.
I'm David A. De La Peña from Pilipinas, Mexico. I am 24 years old.
May I see your name, sir, for confirmation? Okay, Mr. De La Peña. So today I'm going to perform water seal drainage as per written on your physician's order. What this procedure does is just I'm going to hook up a device on in your pleural space where we have seen liquid that's been piling up on your lungs that has given you difficulty in breathing. So before that, sir, I'm just going to perform my hand washing and bring up the equipment that I'm going to use to you. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, so I've done my gloves and I've brought my equipment. So assuming that this is the chest tube that we are using. So since we don't have an actual chest tube, so we're just going to assume that this device, the one we're going to use is a chest tube. So okay, sir, how this works is that I'm going to put a tube on it, a one-way tube to you that's going to suck out all the liquid that we found on your lungs, so we can expand your collapsed lung and make you breathe again just fine. Okay, sir. So I'm just going to insert here. Okay, so I'm just going to turn on the device. So how this works is that it's slowly sucking out the liquids that's in your lungs. So the tube is actually on the pleural space that we're inserting it on. So we're just going to wait and continue to monitor how the chest tube is going. So first we're going to have a continuous sucking on the liquid that's in your lungs, and make sure that the device is doing fine sucking it, and especially you, sir. So before that, I'm just going to monitor you for a little bit on how everything is going. Okay, sir? Okay, sir, I've monitored the device. It seems like everything's still been going. The suctions are going well. It's continuous, and there's no, and on watching the device that you're breathing fine now. There's no signs of bubbling. That means there's no leakage. So I'm just going to continue this until you feel fine. Okay, sir? Okay, sir. So how's everything going?
Feeling good.
You feel you're breathing fine now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just going to start the device, and before removing that, I'm going to get the sterile gloves to block the hole we just put on you. Okay, sir. And I'm going to put it here. Okay, sir, so we're done with water seal drainage. So after that, I'm going to put the specimen that we've collected to the laboratory to find any results and to find what's the cause of this. Okay, sir. So thank you very much. And if you feel any complications, just call on us. So again, sir, thank you so much for letting me perform water cell drainage.